Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning to all. Vibhanshu. Okay, so what we discussed in the last class, I think we discussed about I think we discussed what topic we discussed. I think adverbs we discussed in the last class and the dialogues on the dialogue on the market at the marketplace. Okay, when one of the friend visited the shop to buy the gift for her friend. Okay, so there was a conversation given on the theme. Okay, so there we learn so many dialogues, okay, on the theme of the shops. Okay, then we also learn shops name. Okay, what are the different shops in French? Okay, like l'épicerie, okay, la boucherie, etc.
Boulangerie.
Boulangerie, oui, la librairie, etc. So after this, now what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss a new topic, which is conditional tense. Okay, la conditionnel. Okay, conditional tense. Okay, so tell me now, what is conditional tense? I just give you the 4 minutes. Okay, about 4 minutes to think about conditional tense, la conditionnel. What is the conditional tense?
Tense
Okay,
which are used in
about
certain conditions.
on and you will tell me. Okay, about the tense. Okay, what is conditional tense? Okay, so you have to give me the definition. So have you got a definition of conditional tense?
Yes, sir. The
Okay, so
tenses which these tenses are those tenses which are used to talk about the things which would be happen in the future or would be true in the coming future.
okay, those things will happen in coming future.
Yes, sir. It talks about the things which would be happen in the future or
Mm-hmm.
be true in the future.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yes,
Like,
quite like this.
Nish, if we, there is a sentence that I would help you if I could.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right. Okay, so condition tense is a tense, okay, in which given on the certain condition, okay, given on the certain condition, okay, there will be the different providing there will be different possibilities in the, okay, on the given condition. Okay, if there is a condition, if there is a condition given, if there is a condition given, so what will be the next actions? Okay, what will be the next actions? Okay, so that is one of the definition of the condition tense. Okay, for example, if you win the lottery, for example, if you win the lottery, what sorry for example, if you won the lottery, okay, if you won the lottery, what would you do? Okay, would form is condition tense. Okay, what would you do? So that can be in the present form also. Like if you win the lottery, win is the present tense. Okay, your action can be defined in the future tense. What will you do? Okay, so condition tense is a tense where the condition can be given in present tense or past tense. Okay, and the actions can be defined in future tense or, okay, and present condition tense like would form. Okay, so you can define your actions in will form. Will is future form and would is present condition tense. Okay, which is about the probability. Okay, and sometimes the condition tense, okay, it is used to show the probability. Okay, when there's a probability, when you're not sure about the things, okay, about the action of the things. Okay, about the certain about uncertainty, about the uncertainty about the wishes. Okay, when you express your wishes. Okay, your wishes, when you express your sentiments, etc. So use condition tense. For example, I would like to have a cup of tea. I would like to have cup of tea. You are expressing your wish. Okay, because you want to have a cup of tea. So I would like to have cup of tea. In a polite way, you can use also condition tense. Okay, uh, could I have a cup of coffee? For example, could I have a cup of coffee? Okay, could I have? Okay, when you're humbly requesting somebody. Okay, when you're humbling requesting somebody. Okay, for example, could you please give me your notebook? Okay, so could is what? The condition tense. Okay, condition tense, it is about also expressing your wishes, sentiments. Okay, probability, and also your the polite request. Okay, the polite or humble request. So that is the condition tense. Okay, that is the conditional tense. I think you got it now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will be showing you something now on the condition tense. Okay, first we have to know about how do we say would form. हमें सीखना क्या है in condition tense? What we have to learn? We have to learn how do we say would form, could form. Okay, would English में हम क्या? I would go. Okay, they would go. So would is always would in would is always would in English, but would will have different forms. Okay, so we have to learn how to conjugate the verb. Okay, we have to learn how to conjugate the verbs in condition tense. Okay, Please wait for a second now. I'm just sharing it now. Okay, so I think you're able to see it now on your screen. I just shared the file now. Are you able to see it now? Le
Yes.
conditionnel présent.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see the PPT on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here, le conditionnel présent, present condition tense. Okay. Okay, so at the end of the session, you will able to express wishes, desires, to make polite requests, suggestions, and to extend or accept invitations. Okay. So what is the condition tense? Okay. So the condition forms of verb enables a speaker to express wishes, to make polite requests, suggestions, and to extend and or accept invitations. Okay. So the present condition tense describes an action which is possible but not a fact. Okay, writing a verb in present tense. How to conjugate a verb? How do you write a verb in present condition tense? First, take the stem of future tense. For example, future sample. Okay. Then you will add the endings of var like AIS, AIS, AIT, IUNS, IZ, AINT as per the subject pronoun. To conjugate an ER or IR verb in condition tense, add the appropriate ending to the infinitive verb. Okay. For R-ending verb, remove final RE, final E from the verb and add the condition endings. Okay. Okay, so here's example of the parler verb, finir, vendre, the irregular verbs, okay, and aller, to go. So you can see here how this verb has been written in present condition tense, okay. Look at the parler verb here, for example, parler, to speak, okay. How do you write parler verb? First we write the infinitive form of parler, okay, P-A-R-L-E-R, parler, okay. Then we are putting the endings after the verb, parler, A-I-S, parler, A-I-S, parler, A-I-T, parler, I-U-N-S, parler, I-Z, and parler, A-I-N-T, okay. So you are taking the infinitive form of a verb, and then you're just adding these endings after the verb, okay. और endings क्या यहाँ पे AIS, AIS, AIT, IUNS, IZ, and AINT, and you are adding them as per the subject pronoun, okay. I think it's have you got it now? It's clear to you? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First you
Yes,
take the
sir.
infinitive form and you put these endings after the verb, okay. Look at the second verb, finir, okay. हमें करना क्या है finir में? Finir, ओके, इन्फिनिटिव फॉर्म लेना है, मतलब जो ओरिजिनल फॉर्म है वही लेना है, फिनिर एआईएस, फिनिर एआईएस, फिनिर एआईटी, फिनिर आईयूएनएस, फिनिर आईजेड, एंड फिनिर एआईएनटी, ओके। तो पहले हमने पार्ले का कॉन्जुगेशन किया है, जब पार्लरे आई वुड स्पीक, ओके, क्यों पार्लरे यू वुड स्पीक, एल पार्लरे ही वुड स्पीक, और एल के साथ में सेम होगा, एल पार्लरे शी वुड स्पीक, नो पार्लरियो वी वुड स्पीक, वो पार्लरिए यू वुड स्पीक, il parlerait and they would speak. Okay. When I am saying je finirai, I would finish. Tu finirais, you would finish. Il finirait, he would finish. Elle finirait, she would finish. Okay. Nous finirons, we would finish. Vous finirez, you would finish. Elle finiront, and they would finish. So what's the meaning here? The meaning is would form here. Okay. Okay. The verb is coming along with would meaning. Okay. And would is not being written separately. Would is included in the verb itself. Okay, look at the second verb, which is vendre, to sell. Okay, so how is the vendre verb here? Vendre is R-ending verb. Okay, so as per the rule, we have to remove E ending from RE ending verb. अगर R ending verb होगा तो E को remove करना होगा. So we have removed E and put the same endings after the verb. Vendre, okay, vendre AIS, vendre AIS, vendre AIT, vendre IUNS, vendre IZ, and vendre AINT. तो क्या हुआ, जब वॉन्ड्रे आई वुड सेल, टी वॉन्ड्रे यू वुड सेल, एल वॉन्ड्रे ही वुड सेल, एल वॉन्ड्रे शी वुड सेल, नो वॉन्ड्रियो वी वुड सेल, वो वॉन्ड्रिए यू वुड सेल, एल वॉन्ड्रे एंड दे वुड सेल. So this is vonder verb. Okay, and these verbs were regular verbs. But look at the ale verb. What's the meaning of ale? To go. Okay, तो हमने आले को कन्वर्ट किया किसमें, ईर में, क्यों? क्योंकि हमें क्या लेना है, फ्यूचर फॉर्म लेना होता है, और फ्यूचर फॉर्म में आले को कैसे लिखते हैं, एक्सेप्शन वर्ब. वी राइट आले वर्ब इनटू द आयर फॉर्म. ओके, आले को वी हैव कन्वर्टेड आले इनटू द आयर फॉर्म. क्यों क्यों कन्वर्ट किया? बिकॉज आले इज एक्सेप्शन वर्ब इन फ्यूचर टेंस. ओके, तो पहले जो कंडीशन टेंस बनेगा वो फ्यूचर फॉर्म से बनेगा. ओके, तो हमने आले को कन्वर्ट किया आयर में. ओके, ईर, आले को कन्वर्ट की ईर में, ईर ए आई एस, ईर ए आई एस, ईर ए आई टी, ईर आयोनेस, ईर आई जेड, एंड ईर ए आई टी. If I am saying jire, I would go. Q-ire, you would go. So the second one is wrong here. Okay, it is no, it's correct. Okay, Q-ire, you would go. Il-ire, he would go. El-ire, she would go. Nous-irions, we would go. Vous-iriez, you would go. Il-elles-iraient, and they would go. Just have a look over this conjugation for some time. So I think it's clear now how do we conjugate the verbs in present condition tense? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
You're taking the future form, okay, or might be the infinitive form, okay. Then you're putting these endings after the verb. Now irregular verbs, okay. As we discussed, ale is an irregular verb. So which are other irregular verbs here? Okay. So here, look at the verb here. Like ale to go, a verb to have, kuri to run, the verb to should, must. Only to send, at is to be, fair is to make and to do, and forward is to be necessary. So look at their future stem. Okay, हमें क्योंकि इसका future stem लेना है यहाँ पे. And how do we convert? Ale has been converted into ear, avoir or, courir or, devoir therefore, envoyer envers, être faire, faire faire, and falloir faudre. This is the future form. आपको पहले वर्ब को इनमें कन्वर्ट करना है, उसके बाद एंडिंग्स लगाना है. कौन सा वाला? AIS, AIS, AIT, AIT. Okay. So you have to be sure because these are the exception verb, irregular verb. So you have to learn them now. Okay. So they have given example here. Ale to go. Ale को convert की if में. Jire I would go. Our to have or so johre I would have. Kure to run. Jo kure I would run. The word should. Jo dafre I okay I should have or I would be obliged to. Envoy to or I might be okay I might have for example. Envoy to send en faire John Furry I would send. Être to be that is sad okay just sorry I would be. Fair to make and to do just sorry I would do. Forward to be necessary il faudrait it would be necessary. So learn this exception irregular verb for some time. So have you understood this exception verb? It's clear exception verb for condition tense, for present condition tense. Got it now? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so after learning these exception verb, now we move to the next part. So okay, there are more irregular verbs like obtenir to obtain. Obtiendre, okay, तो जो obtiendre I would obtain, okay. Plover to drain, okay. Plover, तो plover को convert किया हमने plover में. Plover, el plovere it would drain. Pouvoir can, okay. Pouvoir is can or to be able to. Pour, je pourrais I would be able to, okay. Recevoir to receive. Recevre, so je recevrai I would receive. Savoir to know something. Saw, je saurais I would know. Tenir to hold. Tiendre, so je tiendrai I would hold. Venir to come, je viendrai I would come. Voice to see, so where je verrai I would see. Vouloir is to want. Vaudre, je voudrais I would want or I would like to have something, for example. So these are the exception verb, irregular verb, okay, for condition tense. Okay, so after learning this exception verb, now we move to the next part, which is example. Okay, look at example here. Je vous conseillerais de travailler dur. So I would advise you to work hard. So identify the condition tense here. The verb conjugated in the condition tense. Where is the verb here in the example? Je vous conseillerais, okay, de travailler dur. So what is the verb here which is written in present condition tense? Identify the verb. So are you able to identify the verb which is written in present condition tense?
Yes, sir. Conseillere.
Conseiller is a verb, right? Okay, so you can see here, conseiller is a verb here, okay, which is written in present condition tense. So conseiller is would advise, okay. Conseiller is a year-ending verb. So you can see here after conseiller we have put AIS, okay, to convert into the present condition tense, okay. So conseiller would advise. So who is you? Je vous conseillerais, I would advise, okay, the travail you to work hard. Il préférait payer par card, so he would prefer to pay by card, by bank card, which may be the credit card or debit card. So il préférait payer par card. Where is the verb here? Given in present
Pay.
condition tense.
Préféré.
Préférer, préférer is okay. Would prefer, okay. Prefer is here ending verb, and préférer would prefer. Il préférait payer par card. He would prefer to pay by card, bank card. Vous voudriez aller en France? So you would like to go to France. Vous voudriez aller en France? You would like to go to France. Where is the verb here? Identify.
Sir, voudries.
Voudriez is the verb given in present condition tense. Okay, this is the verb here. Voudriez. Okay, voudriez would like. Okay, would like. So which is vouloir verb. Okay, exception verb. Now, nous serions gentils avec nos amis. So we would be nice with our friends. So where is the verb in present condition tense?
Serio.
Serio.
Serions. Serions is which verb? Identify its main verb, original verb.
Jonathan.
Entre. Sorry, être.
Okay, yes, être verb. Être is to be. And it is ser. Okay, ser, serions. Serions would be. Okay, serions would be. Okay, so these are the examples of the present condition tense that you have learned. Okay, so here is the exercise now. Okay, but in this exercise, answers already have been given, so I have to remove the answers. Okay, so I will be stop sharing. I will. I have to remove the answers from there. But I think you understood now what is present condition tense. Okay, and how do you write the verbs and how do you conjugate the verbs in present condition tense. So I think it's clear now to all of you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm just editing the questions now because answers were already given there. Okay, so I have to remove the answers. Okay, so what is important in present condition tense? Okay, the future stem. Okay, the future stem, which may be the infinitive form of a verb. Okay, and then you convert the verb. Okay, then you convert the verb in present condition tense. Okay, by adding some endings just after the verb. और ending हमें क्या लगाना होता है? Remember them: AIS, AIS, AI, AIT, IONS, IZN, AIENT. और ये ending हम कहाँ लगाते हैं? These endings will be added before the verb or after the verb?
After the verb.
Sir, after the verb.
And as per the subject pronouns, as per the subject pronouns, subject pronouns के accordingly लगाना होता है. Okay. Okay. So now we will solve the questions. Now we will have to solve. We will have to solve the questions on the same topic, present condition tense. Okay, so now we have exercise conjugate a verb en conditionnel présent. So conjugate the verb in present condition tense. So here is the first question here. Il aimait voyager en Suisse. Okay, so he loved traveling to Switzerland. So he would like to travel. He would like to travel to Switzerland. So conjugate aimer verb. Options: aimer, aimerait, aimions, aimerait. Choose the correct answer.
B.
Sir, B. Emre.
Option
B.
B. Yes, option B is the right answer. Aimerait. Il aimerait voyager en Suisse, so he would like to go to Switzerland. Question number 2. Il devoir participer dans le concours. He should participate in the competition. Concours is competition. Devait, devoir faire, devait, devrait.
So D,
Sir,
the
option
way.
D.
Sir, the
Option
fray.
D.
D.
Option D. Yes, option D is the right answer. The fray. Okay, the phrase he might have. Okay, he might have participated. He might have participated in the competition. Okay, the first answer was Emre. Okay, and question number two, il devoir participer dans le concours. So, right answer is the fray. Option D. Option D, the fray. Okay, so he might have participated in the competition. Question number three, nous acheter des gants bleus pour nos amis. So we buy the blue gloves. Okay, we buy the blue gloves for our friends. So options achetions, achetrions, achetron, and acheton.
Sir, B. The option B.
Sir, Ashitriyo.
Achetrions, nous achetrions. So we would buy blue gloves for our friends. Okay, option B. Option B, achetrions. Les garçons partent pour la soirée. The boys are leaving for the party. Options partirai, partirai, partiriez, and partez.
Option B.
Partire.
Option B or
B.
D?
Sir, B.
B.
The B.
Option B, partire. Okay, so what's the meaning here? The boys would leave for the party. Okay, option B. So what we learn, okay, I would like to summarize now. In the session, we have discussed key points expressing desires, wishes using a present condition tense. Okay, conjugation of a verb in present condition tense with regular verb as well as irregular verb. Okay, formulating phrases in present condition tense, and then you learn, then you have exercises on the same. Okay, so that's all for the session for present condition tense. So I think it's clear now completely about present condition tense.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But most importantly about exception verb. Okay, so you will have to be sure about the exception verb. Okay, exceptions verb, which are the exception verb and how do we, and how do you write them, and how do you write them. So you'll find this PPT file in the files folder section. Okay, so okay, so we have discussed these regular verbs, and you have to understand how to conjugate these regular verbs. Okay, then we discuss exception verb. Okay, and you have to learn, most importantly, you have to focus on this exception verb. Okay, because in the exam they might be asking the question from this exception verb. Okay, and you have to learn how the verb can be converted into a different form. Okay, and these are more exception verbs. Okay. Okay, so we have learned condition tense by for expressing our wishes, desires, etc. But now we can use condition tense. Okay. Okay, in the hypothetical situations. Okay, in the hypothetical situations. Okay, if if the conditions are given, condition कब दी जाती है जब आपको if word दिया होगा. Okay, if the condition is given, how will you define your actions? Okay. So I think we have extra class schedule in the at what time? You have your extra class at 1:15 or 2:15? Can you see your extra class on your Amazon?
No, sir.
What is
Just
the time?
checking, sir.
So I think it's 1:15. It's 1:15. Okay, so you will have your extra class on at 1:15. Okay, we will cover up the rest of the part in
We
that
are
class
having our internal exam at 1:30.
at 1:15
Yes, sir.
Sir, the class has not been published yet.
on Amazon.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
It's not published.
Okay, it is not published, so I will have to get this class published. Okay, but this class will happen at 1:15 as it is scheduled on MS Team. Okay, but this will be published also on Amazon.
Okay, sir.
Sir, but we are having our internal exam.
Sorry,
So we are having our internal exam at 1:30.
you have internal exam
Yes,
only
sir.
at 1:15.
Yes, sir.
At 1:15.
1:30.
So you have the internal exam for it's your regular class or it's your extra class for exam.
It's extra class.
Extra class on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
But Saturday is scheduled for your FPS, okay? Because we need extra classes, and extra classes are being held on Saturday itself.
Sir, but how can I attend at both?
So, how many students are there? Like Tanvi is telling about the internal exam. So, you
Sir,
are the only one, and other students also have
no,
the
sir.
issue.
There are also other students from our class.
So, what is your institution name, Tanvi?
What, sir?
What is your department name?
Sir, Amity Institute of Virology and Immunology, AIBM.
But I already informed you, and the class is already published on your team, and you were already informed that your classes will be held, extra classes will be held at 1:15. But why did you inform your teacher, your concerned teacher, that you have already classes, for French on Saturday?
But sir, we have only 9:15. You said that we are not. You will not schedule 1:15 class from now onwards.
Sorry.
Sir, we need a total 14 sessions, right?
Hmm.
So we are. This is our 11th session, so we can complete it because our last working day is like 11th or 12th November.
Is it a case that our classes will be completed because I have to calculate? Okay. I have to
Yes.
calculate. Then I have to see whether afternoon class will be taking place or not.
Okay,
I
sir.
will inform you on the group.
Okay, sir.
If this class is not Amazon and this class is published on Team. So I will inform you accordingly.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, so class time is also over now. So you have to try. You have to solve the questions on condition tense. Okay, you can find the French notes. Okay, in the file folder on team itself, and you will find the French notes there. Okay, in the French notes you will find the condition tense. On condition tense you will find the questions. Okay, so questions on the same, and you will try these questions at home. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
If you have any questions about anything, so you may ask. If you have any questions about and the classes or about the content about the exam, so you may ask.
No question, sir.
Okay. Okay, so Joe Romersi, thank you, and au revoir, goodbye. I'll ask some questions. See you next week. But most probably, I will inform you on the team, okay, on your WhatsApp group, whether this afternoon class will be taking place or not. Okay, as 11 classes, if
Okay, sir.
11 classes haven't taken place, so we don't need extra classes. Okay, and goodbye, au revoir. A bon weekend, and have a nice bon weekend.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you so much.